Scooch. Drop top. Whiz up.
If young Metro,
Yeah.
I don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you.
What's up, yo, it's boys? How you guys doing today? I'm doing alright. I got the best line, guys. Look at that. But anyways, guys, today is gonna be a special video, guys. This video is about how to make money, guys. It's not go get a job, guys. It's something else. I'll explain to you guys in a little bit. Anyways, guys, if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Sideballer, guys. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Make sure you guys comment. Make sure you guys share. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, guys. Let's get hype right now and let's get into the video. What you gotta say to the vlog, my boy?
Subscribe to this guy's channel. This guy's he's making great videos.
Shit.
But subscribe.
Okay, the video is special to me, guys, because I'm gonna teach you guys how to make money. You guys are probably like, oh yeah, you probably got a job and all that. Yeah, I do have a job, guys. But if you guys want to make money like on the side, or you want to have extra cash, guys, it's basically doing what you love. Like me, I love making YouTube videos, guys, and I also love making my own clothing designs. Like for example, this one is Sideballer shirt, guys. I made it myself, guys, online. So I sold like 6 or 7 of them. Where I live right now, Wilmer. But I'm trying to make more, but different colors, guys. I'm gonna show you guys all of them when I get them. But if you actually want to make money off these, guys, if you guys want to make shirts or anything, if you guys love marketing or selling stuff, I'll encourage you guys to go to some business people, guys. So guys, like I was saying, guys, pursue your dreams, guys. Like me, like I just said, guys, I love designing my own clothes. It's like, for example, guys, wouldn't you love to wear your own clothes? Wear your own shirt, wear your own sock, wear your own shorts, wear your own jersey or whatever, wear your own jacket? That's how I am. Like, I'm like, why am I wearing other people's brand if I can just make my own? I love other people's brand, like Nike, Jordan, Adidas. I'm big on Adidas because my boy James Harden's on there. But that's not what this video is about. So it's just cool to make your own clothes. Or I'm talking to the people. This video is for the people that actually love marketing or selling stuff. If you're not one of those people, thank you guys for watching the video, guys. So if you guys learned something from this video, comment below that you guys learned something. But anyways, guys, another advice I should give you guys, or like that helped me through my life, is as simple as be you. Honestly, be you. Alright, guys, so don't care about nobody, care about yourself. Be you and motivate yourself to be better and motivate other people around you to be better. They're probably gonna be like, oh, I don't want to do that. Still, give them advice that will actually help them because they need it for the future, guys. Like me, I'm not like a businessman, but I know I'm smart enough to start young and to do what I love this young. You guys, because I know a lot of older people that are in business and told me, you are a smart kid for doing that, because they wish they started young, like in high school. They wish, because they probably, I know some business people, they started like college years, sophomore year of college, but I'm not even in college, guys. I will be next year for a business class, but I'm not even in college fully. And I'm starting young because I know what I'm doing and I love doing that. I still love making my videos and I still love making my own designs because I love it. So anyways, guys, just a little advice I have for you guys. This video was nothing crazy. I just wanted to be honest with you guys. Something I wanted to share for like a minute. And I just wanted to give you guys advice about life and how you should encourage yourself to do what you love and pursue your pursue your fucking dreams. I'm sorry. Pursue your dreams. Pursue your dreams, guys. Like me right now, I just swore. It's not like I'm gonna edit that out because I'm being me. It slipped out of my mouth. It's not like I'm not trying to hide it. I'm being honest right now, guys. So I'm just gonna leave that on because, you know what I mean? It's me. It's not like somebody's gonna say, you should cut that out because I don't want you on it. No, I'm being me, guys. It's not like I'm telling you to do something. Like it's not like I'm forcing you guys to do something. So just be you, live your life, man, and still plan your future, guys, early. So in the future, you did all the hard work, and then you're building your empire more in the future. Instead of starting the future, start it now so you can build it even better and more in the future. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. If you guys liked this video, give it a like. If you guys learned something, let me know in the comment section. Please share this video. I just say I'm gonna end the video here. Peace, salute to you guys. Sideballer gang, I love you guys. Peace out.
Take a flight, I'm out to Dubai. much cause. Don't more easy, I can't forget my bro, I'm doing rest easy. This shit crazy, niggas meeting up just to drink and cry. Sick shit, I'm loaded up, ready to slide.